Have you ever wondered why the same patterns keep repeating in your marriage? No matter how much you try, your husband doesn't change. He still avoids communication, he still takes you for granted, and he still doesn't understand your emotions. But what if I told you that the real transformation isn't about him, okay? It starts with you. Yes. There's a powerful universal principle called law of mirroring, which explains why your relationship with your husband is an inner reflection of your inner world. When you heal, your relationship heals without forcing, begging, or fighting. So stay with me till the end because I'll show you how shifting your energy can completely change the way your husband treats you. The law of mirroring says the people closest to us reflect our inner wounds, beliefs, and emotions. Your husband's behavior is not just about him, it's also reflecting what's happening inside of you. For example, if deep inside you believe that you are not worthy of love without proving yourself, guess what? Your husband will unknowingly reinforce this belief by taking you for granted or not valuing your efforts. If you carry unresolved wounds from your childhood, maybe from a strict father or emotionally unavailable parent, your husband might unknowingly mirror the same patterns in your marriage. So think about it. What are the patterns that keep repeating in your relationship? Are there certain behaviors from your husband that triggers you again and again? So once there was a lady who constantly felt unheard by her husband. No matter how much she spoke, he never seemed to listen her. She felt ignored and unimportant. Through self-work, she realized that as a child, she was always told to stay quiet and not speak too much. She had unknowingly internalized the belief that her voice didn't matter. And guess what? Her husband was mirroring the same belief back to her. The moment she started valuing her own words, speaking her truth with confidence, she saw a shift. Her husband began to listen, respect her words, and even started asking for her opinions more often. So remember, your relationship is a mirror. When you shift within, the reflection outside changes too. Now here are 3 powerful steps to shift your energy and transform your relationships. Step number 1. Identify the repeating patterns. Write down what behaviors of your husband triggers you the most. Is it avoidance of communication, emotional distance, or lack of appreciation? Then ask yourself, where have I seen this before? What beliefs of mine causing me to attract this pattern in my life? Step number 2. Shift your inner beliefs. If you believe that you are not important, start affirming I am valuable and my presence matters. If you believe I must struggle for love, start shifting to love comes easily and effortlessly to me. When you change the way you see yourself, the way your husband sees you will also change. Step number 3. Change your energy, not your husband. Instead of waiting for your husband to change, shift your vibration first. If you crave respect, start respecting yourself first. If you crave more love, start loving yourself fully. Your flaws, your dreams, your presence. Start loving yourself completely. Start loving everything about yourself. When you embody confidence, worth, and self-love, your husband will subconsciously pick up on that energy and start mirroring it back to you. I know some of you might be thinking, what if I do all this and my husband still remains the same? So here's the truth. The purpose of healing is not changing others, okay? It is freeing yourself. When you heal, you will either attract a better version of him or you will attract a better reality for yourself where you will no longer tolerate the emotional neglect. Your happiness does not depend on your husband changing, okay? It depends on becoming a woman that no longer settles for less than she deserves. Now I would love to hear from you. What's that one pattern that keeps repeating in your marriage? Comment that in comment section, okay? And if you resonated with this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share it with other women who need to hear this. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.